Hello, fellow teacher. Did you know that in your classroom, you have students with different learning styles and preferences? To ensure learning happens at the same pace for all, you are encouraged to apply Universal Design for Learning, UDL. UDL is a teaching approach designed to optimize learning by using flexible methods, materials, and assessments to accommodate different learning needs for all students in the classroom. UDL is mediated in 3 principles, namely multiple means of representation, multiple means of engagement, and multiple means of action and expression. Multiple means of representation. To apply this principle, you are expected to create an inclusive and engaging learning environment by using diverse instructional methods, including visual, auditory, text-based materials, assessive technologies, hands-on activities, peer discussions, flexible access, and quick assessments. Multiple means of engagement. To apply this principle, you are expected to recognize and accommodate individual differences to enhance students' engagement and motivation. Multiple means of action and expression. To apply this principle, you are expected to offer diverse assessment methods, encouraging verbal and written expression, incorporating hands-on activities, and using technology to allow students to demonstrate understanding in various ways. Teacher, you are requested to incorporate or apply these 3 principles into lesson planning and curriculum delivery in your classroom. Learner's readiness.
Learner's readiness, this is an entry point for the learners or students to be prepared for learning. And in the learner's readiness, we can apply one of the 3 principles of UDL. That is multiple means of engagement. In learner's engagement, we are going to apply different ways of engaging learners. For example, a teacher can use a song, a teacher can play a video, a teacher can tell a story, and so on.
Oh, come and see the use of education. Come and see. I am a teacher. Come and see the use of education. Come and see. Because of education. Because of education.
Introduction.
After learner's readiness, in UDL, we have introduction. In introduction, a teacher can apply multiple means of engagement by creating safe and supportive learning environment, which is going to motivate these learners or students to learn.
In introduction, learners enter the lesson with the support of the teacher through demonstration, storytelling, role plays, video plays, chat display, and many more.
I'm very sure that we are going to have a lot of fun, okay? We're in mathematics, primary 2, and to learn? Very good.
Lesson development.
In the lesson development, this is where the real teaching and the real learning is taking place. In the real teaching and real learning, a teacher uses the two principles of UDL. These are multiple means of representation. Here, a teacher uses multiple means of representation. Maybe, for example, he can use a video to represent a content, can use a story, can use diagrams or images to represent a content. Because remember, behind all this, we are having an inclusive classroom.
You are going to follow this video after you tell me what you have learned. Are we together? Yes. Very good.
Oh, may I have that orange, please?
Here, Dad.
See, I told you. Dad will give me the orange because I am older than you.
No, Ganza, I'm not going to give you the whole orange.
But why?
Because you can both share this orange.
But it is the only orange left.
I understand. But this orange can be shared by many people. I am going to cut it into 2 halves.
Dad, what are halves?
Alright, let's sit down and I will explain what a half is. If I cut this orange and divide it into 2 equal parts, then one part is called a half and the other one is also called a half, which means we have 2 halves.
Oh!
See? Each one of you can take 1 half.
Thank you, Dad. I can't wait to take a nyamanza that we can divide an orange into 2 equal parts, which are called halves, and that the 2 halves make 1 whole orange.
Yes! Let's go there this afternoon. Let me call Mujisha.
How did the dad share an orange? How did the dad share an orange? Yes, Ola? He did what? Very good. You people, you are good. Can you first clap yourselves? I am the best. I am the best. I am the best. Very good. That's enough. He cutted the orange into 2 parts. Were they equal or one was big, another one was small? They were equal. Very good. Flowers to you. The parts were equal. Very good. The parts were equal.
In lesson development, we have another principle, UDL principle, which is multiple means of engagement. And this is where a teacher uses different styles, because we are having learners with different learning styles. For example, a teacher puts the students in groups and provides them with activities where these learners inclusively, they are going to be using multiple means of engagement. For example, one group can use hands-on activities or experiment. Another group can have playing video. Another group can have presenting images or charts. But all these focus on the same content. Why? We are having different students with different learning styles. Therefore, we need to apply different ways of engaging them so that the learning takes place at the same pace and the students are motivated in the learning.
We have 2 equal parts. We have 2 equal parts, and we want to share with the 2, okay? Good. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are Really? Can you speak louder? Are you happy? Yes. What are you holding? Louder.
An apple.
He's holding.
An apple.
She's holding.
An apple.
Can you tell me the part that she's holding? Eh? She's holding a half of
An apple.
very good, and he is holding,
An apple.
and that is what we are looking at. The fraction of a half. The fraction of
A half.
very good. So I'm having Favor and Kamika's, right? All of they have an orange, very good. Kamikaze has a half, and Favor has
A half.
clap for them, clap for them. You are the best. You are the best.
During lesson development, you should promote collaboration, encourage creative expression through diverse communication methods, allow self-pacing, offer students a choice on how they respond, and use flexible tools and resources, both digital and printed, to accommodate different learning styles.
The importance of applying multiple means of representation and multiple means of engagement during lesson development is to help the teacher and the students themselves inclusively to learn perfectly at their learning pace.
Assessment and conclusion.
After lesson development, we are now going to look at assessment. In assessment, students have already done the activities, and now the teacher needs to know how they have done the activities. What is their ideas? What is their findings? Students are going to use multiple means of action and expression, whereby a student can decide to use either by telling a story, by having an experiment being conducted, by presenting the real image of what he has learned. The student can also use a video or a project to express his or her ideas from the learning process.
You're done with B? Draw an orange and shade its half. And shade its a half. And shade its a half. Clear it, finish it. It's okay. It's okay. Do you have it? The things that can be shared into a half. Yes? An apple, good. An orange. A potato. Tomato. There are many things that we can share, not only at school but also at home, and we can share them equally. Like some of the fruits, we have like watermelon, right? Yes, very good. Pineapple, an orange, apple, wonderful.
During the assessment, teachers are expected to differentiate assessment difficulty. Use different assessment formats such as quizzes, projects, presentations, then offer learners different options to demonstrate learning and incorporate real-world relevance and interactive assessments such as games or simulations to help maintain students' interest.
Homework. John bought 2 oranges in Rubavu Market. He shared 2 oranges equally to his 4 children. What fraction did each child get? So I'll be back for another lesson. I'll be back for another lesson. Good children? Okay, see you.
See you, teacher.
Have a good time. Bye.